Hello and good morning. Today we have breaking news that Martha Chase has died of pneumonia on August 8th, 2003 in Lorain, Ohio at age 75.
Give us a little background knowledge on Martha.
Martha Chase was the geneticist who strongly proved that DNA is the molecule that carries genetic information by her part in the Blender experiment. She was born on November 30th of 1927 and was a renowned American geneticist who earned her bachelor's degree from the College of Worcester in 1950. Later in her life, she left the Cold Spring Laboratory to work on the Oak Ridge National Laboratory and then at the University of Rochester and began to work for her PhD at the University of Southern California, which she eventually earned in 1964. She would visit the Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory, the place where her major discovery took place, every summer.
What was Martha's major discovery towards genetics?
Her discovery began when she accepted a position at Alfred Hershey's lab in Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory as a research assistant. Alfred Hershey, who passed away in 1997, was a bacteriologist and geneticist. Many scientists had believed that the genetic material is protein, and when DNA was questioned, they were skeptical. But when the Hershey-Chase experiment came along, they were debunked. When Chase and Hershey worked together and by showing the bacteriophage DNA is the principal component entering the host cell during the infection, they proved that DNA is the genetic material of the bacteriophage.
How did they do it?
In their experiment, they added identifiable bacteriophages into a group of bacteria, allowing the bacteriophages to infect the bacteria by injecting their genetic material into the host cell. But then, at the crucial moment, they whirled their bacteria in a kitchen blender.
And the outcome of the discovery was upon examining the bacteria. Hershey and Chase found that only bacteriophage DNA and no protein had been inserted into the bacteria. Martha's contribution to this discovery provided one of the foundations to molecular biology and inspired two other scientists to determine the helix model of DNA.
Her death has been greatly mourned by the bacteriologist and geneticist community and her sister Ruth Dazel. She says that Martha loved photography, sewing, knitting, especially complicated patterns, and that she was interested in anything that was a challenge. Tune in tomorrow for Tom Holland playing with bulldogs.
This has been a news report.